I'm right now, this Brighton, or I'm right now with, ano pong pangalan nyo?
Arnel Magpili.
Saan pong office or organization?
Laguna.
DTI Laguna. And Mr. Magpili here is explaining to me the Bayong Development Project. Ano po yung Bayong Development Project?
So, it's yung traditional na bayong na ginagamit natin. So, binigyan natin ng mga designer consultant yung ating mga weavers from Cavinti, Luciana, and Mayhay.
Cavinti and Luciana and Mayhay are towns in Cavite and Laguna.
Laguna,
Okay.
engaged in bayong.
Okay.
So, ito na yung result ng mga trainings.
Ganda ah. Ito maganda rin to. So saan na po available to? For sale na ba? Or kailan po nangyari to?
2 years na yung project. So kasi may yun din sa ECOM yung bagang there are towns in Laguna na hindi na binabandan yung using of plastics.
Apa.
So kaya walang alternative na packaging sila kundi itong bayong.
Ang ganda rin ito.
So ito yun.
So ito po yung mga Bayong Development Program ang pangalan. Ganda. Ito nakasulat dito, hindi ako plastic.
Hindi ako plastic.
And you know, it's OTOP, so it's a one town, one product policy or program of the Department of Trade and Industry. Gorgeous stuff, yeah? This probably is one of my favorites. I saw this from a distance. Can we have Leiden try it on? Leiden, can you try it on for us? I'll hold that. You're on video. Leiden Pedrinia of Young Artist Fellowship for the Environment is trying on for us one of the Bayong product. Gorgeous, beautiful. Can you open it? Anong itsura? So it's Velcro? Hindi yata nabubuksan.
Ay, metallic kasi.
Wag na lang po. Okay lang.
Isa na
Ganda.
the usual sombrero.
Ang galing. Sombrero ba yun? Na-open ba siya na parang sombrero? Hindi.
Ito, di ba? Inano lang siya. Ay, ito. Here.
Ang galing. This is sombrero barong. Ay, bayong.
Concept.
Leiden, can you look at me? Perfect. Ang galing.
So, the
May earrings ka bang kasama?
ordinary sombrero.
Oo.
Then, inano lang siya eh. Nilagyan lang siya.
Ang galing. Saan mo nabibili ngayon yung mga ganyan? Saan po nabibili?
We have pasalubong center in Cavite,
In
Luciana.
Petron.
Petron,
Nagpupunta kayo sa...
May ganyan ba nabibiling sa Petron?
Miss Tina. Si Miss Tina yung in charge namin sa Bayong.
I'm taking a video of your products. Ano pong full name niyo, ma'am?
Lina Alcantara.
Of the DTI?
Yeah.
What do you do for the DTI?
I'm also the planning officer.
Of the Bayong, sorry,
One of the project officer for the Bayong.
Bayong Development Project. We are admiring your project, your results.
Actually, some of these are the results of the trainings for dyeing and designing.
Opo, ang ganda. Like this one is beautiful and
Kasi, di ba?
so ano po dito yung pinakamabenta or what people normally talk about?
Alam mo, ordinary packaging. Walang kulay, walang ano.
Pero ang ganda na costume. Ang ganda na headdress. Headdress siya. Pwede siyang headdress.
Thank you. Sige po. Salamat po.
Concept mo.